a shared file to your own Google Drive. So right now the only place that I can find this particular file that Steve shared with me is in my shared with me folder, or I could be in my Google Mail and find the email where he shared it with me. But as we all know, shared files tend to be lost fairly easily, so this is a way to keep that from happening. Once you have found the file, hopefully it's something you've opened recently, you're going to right click over that file and you're going to click on Add Shortcut to Drive. So what this does is it gives a shortcut, much like shortcuts on your desktop, in your Google Drive to that shared file. So I'm going to go ahead and click on my drive, and then I'm going to find the folder that I want it to be in, and this is related to distance learning, so I'm going to add it here. So I'm going to click on Add Shortcut, and then I'm going to go into my drive, and I'm going to go to that folder, that same folder, and then you'll see right here that there is the file that I just included, and if I zoom in a little bit, you'll be able to see there's a little arrow next to it. So these are all files that are shortcuts that I've added to my Google Drive. These are files that are my files, so they're the ones that have been created by me. So here's the reason why you would want to do a shortcut instead of making a copy of the file. Because this is a shortcut, if Steve makes any changes to this document, it takes me to the newest version of that document. If I made a copy of it here in my shared drive, if I right clicked and hit make a copy, then I only have the file at the state it was when I made the copy. It won't be updated anytime that Steve makes changes to that document. So I'm going to want to have the live version of this document because it's related to policies and procedures for distance learning that might change over time as things change in our current situation. So shortcuts can be really helpful in making sure that you are keeping track of everything that's being shared.